Hi friends, today we are going to make a pencil holder shaped like a pencil. I already planned and designed it, and now I will explain how I made it. First, I created a sketch and drew a polygon with 8 sides. Then I extruded it to one side. After that, I mirrored it to the other side so both sides looked the same. Next, I worked on the back part of the pencil, which looks like an eraser. I selected the back plane, drew a round shape, and extruded it a little. Then it started to look more like a pencil. After that, I created another plane with some distance from the main shape. On that plane, I added a point. This point was used for the loft feature. Then, I used the loft tool to connect the body of the pencil to the point. At the top part, I made it round and smooth. I added another small round shape with a little distance and removed the extra parts to get the final pencil shape. Finally, I added some extra features and completed the project. This is my pencil holder project. Thank you.